Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem. And from here, this is our equation 1 and this is our equation 2. So what we're going to do is making x the subject to the equation 1. X plus y equals 12. This is our equation 1. And we can make x the subject, so we have x as 12 minus y. So this becomes our equation 3. Now the next thing is substitute this value into the second equation. Now do not put this value back into the first equation, because it is from the first equation that we got this, the third equation. So put it into the second, because we are working both of them simultaneously. So we have our equation 2 as xy equals 32. Now this means we are going to have, in place of x rather, we'll be having 12 minus y, and then there is y outside, equals 32. Let's open the bracket so that we have y times 12, that is 12y, then minus y squared equals 32. Now we are having a quadratic equation. Let's the one with the highest power come first. So we have y squared, we have negative y squared, then plus 12y equal to 32, right? Now the next thing is y squared will come first, minus 12y minus, okay, let's have equal to negative 32. Okay, so the negative is multiplying everything, right? Now let's bring this to the left, so that y squared minus 12y plus 32 will be equal to 0. Okay, so now we have a quadratic equation, and we can solve this by factorization. Okay, so what are the two numbers? We multiply to get 32, and we bring them together to get minus 12. We're going to have minus 8 and minus 4. Because minus 8 multiplied by minus 4 will give 32. Minus 8 minus 4 will give minus 12. So we are good. Now, this means that the factors are y minus 8 and y minus 4. And both of them are equal to 0. So this means that y minus 8 equals 0, or y minus 4 equals 0. Y will be equal to 0 plus 8, or y is equal to 0 plus 4. So that y from here remains 8, or y on the other side is equal to 4. Therefore, y is equal to 8 or 4. Now the next thing we're going to do is put this back into equation 3. Our equation 3 is x equals 12 minus y, if you can recall, right? Now when y is equal to 8, right, so you put y here, and our x is equal to, we'll be having 12 minus 8, so that x is equal to 4. So we are saying that when x is equal to 4, y is equal to 8. That's what we are saying. Now let's go back again and put in the value of y as 4. Okay, so the equation x equals 12 minus y will now be x equal to 12 minus 4, because this time around y is 4. Okay, so to continue, x will be equal to 12 minus 4 is 8, right? That is giving us 8. So this means that when x is equal to 8, y is equal to 4, right? And we can put these two values or this pair of values into the equation and see. Let's say equation 1, which is x plus y equals 12. So when we say x is 4, y is 8, that means we're having 4 plus 8, and that is giving us 12, right? And then if you go ahead again, the second one is y is 8, x is 8, y is 4. So that in that case you'll be having 8 plus 4, and this will still give us 12. Remember, when you're adding, the order does not matter. The one that comes first does not really matter, right? So that's what is happening over there. And if you go to the second one, when you have x, y to be equal to 32, you will also see that if you put x as 4, it's going to be 4 multiplied by 8, and it's giving us 32, right? Okay. If you still have 8 multiplied by 4, it will still give 32. And this is what we are trying to explain in our solving. Thank you for watching. And then here again are the values of x and y. Thank you, and make sure you support by sharing to your friends. Thank you.